Welcome back to Boba Bricks. Today I am building the last bag of quality Quidditch supplies and the daily profit from the Harry Potter Diagon Alley set. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and let's get started. Now I'm finished building this building. I think it was pretty fun to build, but I think that some of the rooms could have had a little more stuff in it instead of being more empty. And that's it for today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and come back next week to watch me start building the next building.